Welcome back, guys. We're doing our CPU install on the Stormtrooper build. Got the Ryzen 9 3950X, got our Arctic MX4 thermal paste, and here before we put the processor in, I'm resting my hands on the case, grounding any static. So first we want to lift up on our locking arm and open up our processor. Here you can see that three of the corners don't look like the other. So you've got one corner that's got a little notch in it, and that's to key our processor into the right position. So you'll see on the motherboard there's a corresponding corner that lines up with that, and that's where we're going to be allocating that corner to go, so that when we drop it in, all of our little pins go into place and the processor drops in smoothly. After it drops in, I'm just visually checking that everything looks like it's flush and seated into place. Then we're just going to reach down and lock the processor in. Just push down on the arm and lock it into the little tab. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video and you want to watch more of my content, please do so. Check it out. Also, like and subscribe. I'll have links down below where you can purchase the processor at Amazon, and I will see you next time.